Hey guys, welcome to my new video. This is Mi Band 4, Xiaomi's new smart band after the huge success of Mi Band 3. So what makes this band special is some additional features like 50-meter water resistant. It has various exercise modes. There is a heart rate monitor. The most exclusive thing is the color touchscreen. There is notification display, sleep and step auto monitoring mode. Another great thing about the smart band is the battery life. It is nearly 20 days, which is extremely useful. There are two versions, one with NFC which costs a little higher. The band is available in Dubai with some awesome price of 125 AED. In Indian currency, it is 2000 rupees. You can just dial the number on the screen and order it. Soon it will be launched in India and all the other countries. So let's do the unboxing and see what's inside the box. But before I start,
kindly subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you will get notified every time I post a new video.
this is the magnetic charger with USB cable, can be attached anywhere, even to a laptop. This is the band. It's quite lightweight and very similar to Mi Band 3 with the rubber strap. Xiaomi has a knack of giving quality gadgets in affordable prices, and this is no different. To turn it on, just press on the color touchscreen and it will turn on. Very important thing to know here is that to connect to your Mi Band to your smartphone, you need to download Mi Fit application from Play Store or App Store if you are using an iPhone. Pairing is extremely fast and quite easy. Once the band is paired, everything can be controlled by the smartphone with Mi Fit application. You can control all the features like cycling, running, walking, checking status by your smartphone. Now let's see the band itself and get to know more about it. Swiping to the left and the right will bring the music playing and the controls. By default, it's showing the time, date, day and steps count. Swiping down, it will show the more icon. When you click on that, it has do not disturb, alarm, music, stopwatch, timer, find device, silent band, display and the main settings. Clicking on settings will take you to brightness, lock screen, reboot and factory reset settings. When connected with smartphone, the band will display all of this like incoming calls, alarms, events. Even you can unlock the screen from the band itself. There is also a night mode and a heart rate detection. Another good thing is that Xiaomi has included behavior tagging options. I must say that it's quite an advanced band, especially for a sports person or a health conscious person or even in general. It's good for anyone. The best thing about the band is that Xiaomi is giving 77 different band face as an option. You can download and choose any face and it will be transferred to the band. Unfortunately, my band battery is low, so can't change the watch face. But otherwise, it's the most fun thing to do. Now let me put the band in my wrist and see how does it fit and how does it feel. It's quite impressive and extremely lightweight with decent screen. Also the screen quality is quite impressive. I am really impressed with the smart band as it's functional and useful in daily basis. The main highlight of this band is its impressive color OLED display with 120 into 240 size, 77 band faces which will keep it interesting and fun to use. There is an inbuilt microphone inside the band which is always good. There is 6-axis accelerometer. Band is water resistant up to 50 meters. Also you can do contactless payment from the band. I guess only in China. There are colorful notifications which is the most fun thing about the band. There are music controls on the right and the left swipe. Extremely great battery of 135 mAh compared to 110 mAh for the Band 3. The battery life is 20 days, but even if you get around 15 days, it's still a good option. Now in terms of pricing and availability, just call the number on the screen to get the best price. It costs just 125 AED in Dubai and in Indian currency it is 2000 INR. I can assure you this shop will give you the best price for any Xiaomi devices. I'm extremely impressed with the band and I think it's a great value for money. Mi Band 4 will be launching all over the world very soon, but if you can't wait, just dial the number given on the screen and order it. That's all guys for this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video as I will really appreciate that. See you soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye and peace out.
I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.